Y'all see this bird eat it. Oh, he went over there too. Look, he got that shit. Look, he was waiting on your ass, nigga. Yeah. Damn. Fucking crane. He swallowed that shit whole too.
Yeah, I'm gonna get another one, yo. After you taking all those fish, bro, hook a nigga up.
I know. You seen he kept looking over here like he getting him a drink of water and shit. Like he kept looking over here. He kept easing closer and closer. Get him a little drink of water. Wash it down. He like, this thing gonna catch another one or what? Most time you throw something at an animal, they run. Nah, that nigga he knew exactly what you was doing. Got him. Yeah, that nigga walked back over here. Look at him, look at him. Look at him. Look. Look, he gotta walk back over here too. He about to feed this crane over here. Look at him. That's Craney over there. They got a pet Craney over here feeding and shit. Father Nature.
In the bathroom. Boy, bring your ass off up in here. What you talking about? Wait till I come out.
It's natural habitat. Hey, say what's up to the camera, man. What you gonna do today?
You know what I do? I wish Bobby was here so I could bust his ass.
What you got? What you fishing with? Show the people what you fishing with.
Today is brought to you by Bobby Garland, Mo-Glow.
Mo-Glow, and they glow in the dark.
Glow in the dark.
Let me show it up on your hook. Let me see. Okay, these little things right here. Alright, this is what I'm using. Little jig. Both got green today.
Okay, and you know, you see it's a lot of grass down there and weeds. Stuff we're gonna have to fish through. Dark places. A couple fish out there jumping up.
Yeah, we're gonna see what we can do. Let me get back with y'all. Well, so far I didn't have no luck with that. Let's try this jig right here. First time trying it. Any luck over there, Junior? Any luck? Nah, not yet. Just a little bite or two. We're working on it. Craig, check out this lizard bathing in the sun. I'm gonna attempt to get a little closer, get a better view without disturbing him. Gotta excuse me, I'm on this tree. I'm not sure how sturdy it is. Oh, he's went around the other side. Oh, there he is. Okay. Oh, don't be scared, buddy. Just trying to get a good view of you. You're very pretty. Oh, yes. Very, very pretty. We got some action here. We got some live action. Okay, okay. Nice little crappie. And this shit I'm doing is extensive.
So that's why when I spit this shit, it's expensive.
Okay, we just concluded our little fishing trip. How many you think you caught? I only got you, catching one. I didn't catch any. I caught like 3 minnows, 3 frogs. Yeah.
Like five, maybe 6.
That's better than me. Maybe next time.